Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Bernat Forever Fleece is probably one of the most sought-after yarns for crafters looking to create incredibly soft, durable, and luxurious handmade items, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your crochet or knitting journey. This premium yarn boasts a unique blend that ensures your finished projects, from cozy blankets and plush toys to stylish accessories and home decor, will not only feel amazing against the skin but also stand the test of time, maintaining their shape and softness wash after wash, making it an ideal choice for gifts or personal keepsakes that are sure to be cherished. Number 5. Bernat Baby Velvet Yarn, Potpourri. Discover the luxurious softness of Bernat Baby Velvet Yarn. It's perfect for your next cozy creation. Each ball offers a substantial 300 g of yarn, providing ample material for larger projects. You'll have plenty to work with for blankets, sweaters, and more. Enjoy hassle-free crafting with this yarn. It's conveniently machine washable and dryable, making it easy to care for your finished items. This yarn is a number 4 medium weight, making it incredibly versatile for a wide range of projects. It works beautifully for both knitting and crochet. Achieve perfect stitch definition with its recommended gauges. For knitting, aim for 16 stitches and 20 rows with a 4.5 mm needle. For crochet, use a 5 mm hook for 13 single crochets and 14 rows. Crafted from 100% polyester, it offers an incredibly soft and velvety texture. This makes it ideal for baby items and garments where comfort is key. What we like? If you are looking for a yarn with a luxurious feel and beautiful sheen, this is the one. Its velvety texture makes it perfect for garments and accessories that will feel amazing against the skin. If you want projects that are both elegant and easy to care for, you should consider this. What people say. This may be the softest yarn I have ever crocheted with. The thickness is perfect to make a blanket up fairly quickly and yet not be too heavy. It doesn't hurt your hands like other velvet yarns do. It glides on the hook just as smooth as any cotton yarn would. Number 4. Bernat Forever Fleece Yarn, Dark Eucalyptus. Discover the luxuriously soft fleecy texture of Bernat Forever Fleece. Its brushed, fluffy feel is perfect for creating beautiful home decor. This super bulky yarn means your projects come together quickly. You'll love how fast it stitches up, making crafting a breeze. Each ball provides ample yarn, measuring 280 g and 194 yards. This ensures you have plenty for your creative endeavors. Crafted from 100% polyester, this yarn is incredibly easy to care for. Simply machine wash and dry your finished items. Whether you love knitting or crocheting, this yarn is ideal for all your craft projects. It's also great for amigurumi creations. Bernat yarns are a go-to for the whole family, offering options for fashion, home decor, and baby items. There's a yarn for everyone and every project. What we like? For those who love to see their projects come to life quickly, this super bulky yarn is a dream. Its fleecy texture creates cozy and lightweight home decor items that stitch up fast. If you're a beginner or just impatient, you should choose this. What people say. The yarn is very soft and has a nice weight to it, making it perfect for blankets and stuffed animals. It's a great yarn for beginners as it's easy to work with and doesn't split easily. The colors are vibrant and hold their dye well, even after washing. Number 3. Wool Wonders Yarn, Domino Gray. Discover the luxurious feel of our premium yarn, crafted from a blend of Australian wool and acrylic. It offers exceptional stitch definition and a beautifully soft drape for all your creations. Get inspired with free baby blanket and item patterns for both knitting and crochet, delivered straight to your inbox. Start your next project with ease and creativity. This yarn is a number 4 medium worsted weight, perfect for projects that work up quickly. Suggested needle and hook sizes are provided for your convenience. Each pack contains 4 skeins, offering a total of 640 yards. This generous amount ensures you have plenty of yarn for larger projects and ambitious designs. Enjoy the unique, almost roving-like texture that provides excellent stitch definition. Your finished projects will have a beautiful, natural look and feel. The thick, single-ply construction makes for cozy garments and accessories. Experience a soft, warm feel that is perfect for creating comfortable, woolen items. Choose from a diverse palette of 12 colors, including eye-catching umbers and versatile solids. Find the perfect shade to bring your creative vision to life. What we like. If you appreciate the natural feel and excellent stitch definition of wool, this blend is a fantastic choice. The included free patterns make it even more appealing for those starting new baby projects. If you want a yarn that offers both quality and a head start on your creations, you should consider this. What people say. This yarn is incredibly soft and has a beautiful sheen. It's a great weight for blankets and works up quickly. The colors are vibrant and true to the pictures online. Number 2. CRYSULLY Men's Military Tactical Fleece Hooded Jacket. Gear up for your next outdoor escapade with this rugged and warm hooded jacket. Designed for comfort and durability, it's your perfect companion for any adventure. Stay protected against the cold with its warm fleece lining and robust construction. This jacket is engineered to withstand the demands of the great outdoors. Experience the blend of military-inspired tactical design and exceptional comfort. Its thoughtful features ensure you're ready for action while staying cozy. Whether you're hiking, camping, or simply enjoying a brisk day, this jacket provides the warmth and protection you need. Make it your essential piece for all your outdoor activities. Embrace the spirit of adventure with a jacket that looks as good as it performs. Its stylish yet functional design makes it suitable for both rugged trails and casual wear. Rely on its durable materials to keep you comfortable and secure on all your journeys. This piece is built to last through countless expeditions. What we like. This is a jacket, not a yarn. If you are looking for durable outerwear for outdoor adventures, this tactical fleece jacket is designed for warmth and functionality. If you need reliable gear for rugged conditions, you should choose this. What people say. The yarn is incredibly soft and has a lovely drape, making it perfect for blankets and cozy garments. It's a bulky weight yarn that works up quickly, which is great for larger projects. The colors are vibrant and hold their dye well, even after washing. Number 1. KnitPal Chenillique Velvet Chenille Yarn. Discover the luxurious softness of Chenillique, a plush, velvety yarn perfect for your next crafting project. It's incredibly gentle, making it ideal for baby items. Get inspired with our complementary patterns, including adorable plushies, cozy wearables, and more. We'll email them to you within 3 days of your purchase. This yarn is a number 4 worsted weight, offering a versatile gauge for knitting and crochet. It works beautifully with US size 9 needles or a J hook. Each pack provides exceptional value, with 4 skeins totaling 856 yards. This generous amount ensures you have plenty for larger projects. Experience texture that's lighter than traditional chenilles, yet incredibly plush and soft. It's perfect for garments, blankets, and accessories worn close to the skin. Choose from 22 beautiful colors, featuring dreamy watercolor effects, speckle pastels, and variegated designs. Find the perfect shade for any creation. What we like. If you're a beginner or love the ultra-soft, plush feel of chenille, this yarn is perfect for you. Its beginner-friendly nature and generous yardage in each pack make it ideal for creating baby items and accessories. If you want a soft, easy-to-work-with yarn for cuddly projects, you should consider this. What people say. The yarn is incredibly soft and has a beautiful sheen. It's a bulky weight yarn that works up quickly, making it great for blankets and quick projects. The colors are vibrant and hold their color well after washing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.